Jalebi and Republic Day. Scene: a small street shop decorated with tricolor balloons. The shopkeeper Chintu is frying jalebis and customers are eagerly waiting. His assistant Bunty is helping him. Chintu calling out, fresh jalebis, crispy jalebis, taste so good. Even the president would approve. Bunty, Chintu bhai, why are we making so many jalebis today? It's like we are feeding the whole parade. Chintu, Array, Bunty, today is Republic Day. People celebrate with sweets. Jalebi is the real national dessert. Forget tricolor, people's hearts wait for jalebi. Bunty confused. How? Chintu, think about it. Whether you are a common man or a minister, jalebi sticks to everyone's fingers equally. Bunty, ah, so that's why you say सब मोह माया है. Jalebi teaches life lessons. Meanwhile, a customer interrupts. Customer, Chintu bhai, one plate of jalebi. Make it special. It's Republic Day. Chintu, of course, sir. Special jalebi for a special day. Bunty, sprinkle extra sugar syrup. Let it shine brighter than the parade floats. Bunty, grinning. Chintu bhai, you should have been the prime ministers. Your speeches are sweeter than the jalebis. Chintu, Arey, if I become prime minister, I will make jalebi the national emblem. The Ashok Chakra will be replaced by a big round jalebi. Bunty, and instead of the anthem, we will all sing Jalebi by everyone laughs. Chintu, okay Bunty, enough jokes. Keep frying. Today's cell should be sweeter than the syrup. Bunty starts singing Jalebi by while frying, and the customers join in the fun, enjoying the Republic Day vibe with streaming hot jalebis. Narrator, and that's how Chintu's Jalebi shop became the star of Republic Day celebrations. After all, no parade is complete without a sweet twist.